200 sentences about household problems. The pantry shelf is broken. The pantry shelf is broken. The closet door won't slide. The closet door won't slide. The baseboard is chipped. The baseboard is chipped. The rug is curling up. The rug is curling up. The chair leg is broken. The chair leg is broken. The door stopper is missing. The door stopper is missing. The TV screen is scratched. The TV screen is scratched. The smoke detector is beeping. The smoke detector is beeping. The key is stuck in the lock. The key is stuck in the lock. The water heater isn't working. The water heater isn't working. The picture frame is broken. The picture frame is broken. The bathtub is leaking. The bathtub is leaking. The light switch is stuck. The light switch is stuck. The thermostat is blinking. The thermostat is blinking. The fridge door won't close. The fridge door won't close. The outlet cover is cracked. The outlet cover is cracked. The soap dispenser is clogged. The soap dispenser is clogged. The tiles are loose. The tiles are loose. The garage door won't open. The garage door won't open. Thank you for like and subscribe us. The lawn mower won't start. The lawn mower won't start. The shed roof is leaking. The shed roof is leaking. The bicycle chain is rusty. The bicycle chain is rusty. The pool pump is broken. The pool pump is broken. The patio door is stuck. The patio door is stuck. The barbecue grill is dirty. The barbecue grill is dirty. The garden hose is leaking. The garden hose is leaking. The sprinkler isn't working. The sprinkler isn't working. The mailbox is broken. The mailbox is broken. The tree branch is hanging. The tree branch is hanging. The window screen is missing. The window screen is missing. The basement smells damp. The basement smells damp. The attic is too hot. The attic is too hot. The gate won't close. The gate won't close. The water pressure is low. The water pressure is low. The drain pipe is cracked. The drain pipe is cracked. The house alarm is malfunctioning. The house alarm is malfunctioning. The circuit breaker tripped. The circuit breaker tripped. The electrical cord is frayed. The electrical cord is frayed. The sofa cushions are flat. The sofa cushions are flat. The floor tiles are chipped. The floor tiles are chipped. The chimney cap is missing. The chimney cap is missing. The railing is loose. The railing is loose. The bathroom mirror is foggy. The bathroom mirror is foggy. The sink stopper isn't working. The sink stopper isn't working. The cabinet drawer is stuck. The cabinet drawer is stuck. The window latch is broken. The window latch is broken. The alarm clock is buzzing. The alarm clock is buzzing. The pet door is broken. The pet door is broken. The step is uneven. The step is uneven. The wallpaper has bubbles. The wallpaper has bubbles.